Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, why this thing came to me. I was in my bed laying down. It's early now in the morning, but what I was saying to myself, ackee and saltfish is very famous in Jamaica. You know, ackee are the national dish. So guys, I said to myself, I haven't seen nobody done this before. Well, I don't know, but this is my style. Okay, I'm gonna make some ackee and saltfish dinner rolls from scratch. All right, I said to myself, I have a little bit of ackee in the freezer that I brought from Jamaica, so why not whip up a thing? So we're gonna go down into this thing here. All right guys, Jamaican style, Jamaican vibes. All right, before the milk cool, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour if you want. All right, so let's get into this video. If you want, you can mix the milk with the yeast and let it sit for a little bit, but I'm gonna try this new way or new style. All right, I'm gonna add ½ teaspoon salt. You can add 1 teaspoon, but lots of salt gonna be in my saltfish, so ½ teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar. You can use brown or white. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon dry yeast, and now guys, I'm gonna add ½ cup of warm milk. Okay, then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can use 1 tablespoon butter. I'm gonna add 1 egg, lightly beaten. Okay, and that's it guys. You want to mix everything. Ooh. When you get it like this now guys, somewhat like this, like in a flour dough, you want to give it some mix. You're gonna need it. Okay, and you want to dust it lightly with some flour. Transfer your dough. And this just gonna give you more room to knead it. All right guys, I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just gonna rub it all around. You can change the bowl if you want. All right, now I'm gonna set my dough in the middle and I'm gonna cover it. I forgot to tell you, I add a little bit of olive oil on top, just like that, and just work your fingers around it so you know it's sealing the moisture. All right, and you don't want to put it in the fridge. Leave it out on the counter at room temperature. All right, and we'll be right back. And now guys, this is the fun part. We're gonna cook up the ackee and saltfish. We have some peppers here, bell pepper, sweet pepper of all colors. I have 1 onion, and you can't forget the scotch bonnet pepper right there, so I'm gonna use a little piece. I have 1 tomato. You need just some black pepper guys. All right, scallion, my saltfish right here. So my blended seasoning is almost done, and it's all onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, and all of that garlic marinade. Okay, all right, I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley, a little bit of minced garlic, and and I'm gonna cook it down or fry it up in some olive oil, not too much. All right, so and this is the main thing. This is some ackee from Jamaica. I brought it up, my husband cooked it, I freeze it and brought it up just like that. So it's somewhat thawed now. This is the saltfish. All right, take it out, put it in the pot, And guys, what you want to do, this is warm water. you want to rinse it off about 3 to 4 times, and then you're gonna catch some water in the pot and you're gonna boil it. All right, and I'm gonna cut up all of this. All right guys, make sure you rinse it off in some cold water because you don't want it to burn you. And that's it. You just want to pick it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, maybe about 3 tablespoons. Teaspoon of minced garlic. You can use, oopsie, you can use the regular garlic. And then I'm gonna add all my chopped vegetables. Next, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of my blended seasoning. So just 1. That will do. And we're gonna saute this a little bit, okay? All right guys, when you fry up it somewhat like this, it looks good. We're gonna add the saltfish. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And now we're gonna add the ackee. The ackee already cooked up with thyme and pimento already, okay guys? It's already cooked. And I'm just gonna fold everything in. Let's add some black pepper first. Lots of black pepper. I'm gonna leave this to cook down for another 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat or low heat, and then I'm gonna come back. Now it's about, let me see, hour and 20 minutes. You can go up to 90 minutes if you want. And I'm gonna dust it lightly, and this is it guys. All right. Ooh, look how soft and nice it is. Ooh, yes. I think that's good. There. I'm just gonna cut it in some pieces. I'm gonna cut it down the middle first. I think that will do. And now guys, we're gonna dust it lightly. Now we're just gonna roll it. All right guys, I didn't show you the final result. This is the final result, okay? Yeah. In my baking dish, I put some olive oil. You can grease it with butter if you want. And now guys, we're gonna grab up a little bit of the goodness. About that amount. And what you wanna do, basically you wanna fold the sides somewhat. Pull it apart. Bring it up. Voila guys, just like that. Okay, make sure it closes. I'm gonna cover it with some grease-proof paper. I let them sit for about half an hour. All right, now we're gonna take this off. We're gonna make some egg wash to put over it. You can use water, but I have 1 egg, and I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon 2% milk. And I'm gonna lightly beat this. I have some parsley. This is optional, you don't have to put it on it, but I'm just gonna add it to my egg wash. That will do. Gonna put it over it. Look how delicious they are. All right, now guys, I preheat my oven at 370. You can do 350 or 375, depends on your oven temperature. It's up to you, but I'm gonna do mine at 370, and I'm gonna bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes. If it go over, I will let you know. All right, let's pop these bad boy in the oven. All right guys, look at these beauty. Yes, so you want to leave them in for a good 25 minutes. All right, while they are hot, I'm just gonna use my melted butter, and I'm gonna put a little bit. The butter will keep them moist and soft, make the crust soft. I can't wait for it to cool any longer. It's still hot. Hi, but I want to show you one, guys. Hot. Woo. Look at that, guys. Hot. Look how soft. Can you see that, guys? Can you see it? Okay, it's hot. Oh, hi. Let's go in, guys. Look at the steam. Look at the goodness. Ooh, look at that, guys. See how soft it is? Ooh, yes. So good. Taste this little part. Let me do a next one for you guys. Hot. This is another one, guys. Okay. Ooh, hot. Look at that. Look at my Ackee and Saltfish dinner rolls. Ooh. Finger licking good. Look how moist. Can you see that, guys? Look at that. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. One love and be blessed. Jamaican vibes, Jamaican style.